Good pass, getting it forward. Eriksson. Rasmus L. Nuri. Good forward play from them. Tried to tackle here, and he's done that. It's a turnover of possession here. There's going to be a throw-in after that tackle. Edwards. Here's a chance to attack. That's a good spot by the defender. Good through pass. He's got his shot off now. Oh, well saved. Corner. There's a goalkeeper who's asserted himself from the corner. The defenders love that. Working hard just to see maybe a sight of goal. Shots on here. He's kept it out. Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. Well, it will be a throw-in. Eriksson. This is an exercise in patience as they try to get an opening. Blocked well by the defender. Corner given. That's proper clearance. Well away from the danger zone. And here's the shot. The shot gets blocked. Terrific tackle. Ring. Could be dangerous. Good play, but they've lost the ball now, and the opposition can get at them. Rasmus L.
Well, he makes that transition happen quickly.
Comes in with a tackle. Rushing it here, moving from one side to the other. Brilliant football from this team. You can see the deflection there, corner. And he heads it for goal. The corner has led to that effort at goal, which wasn't far away.
Wasn't far away, and they did well to engineer a few yards of space there.
Nuri. He's coming forward with some danger. Well, this is how this team can play. Sustained attacking football, but when they lose it, as they've done now, it's just a risk that they might get caught out. Comes in strongly. On the attack here. Shot on! Easy work for the keeper here. Looking to widen the play, really, widen the build-up, but the ball's just run straight out over the touchline. Nuri. They spread it out wide here. Chance to get some width into this attack. Well, they passed their way up into a good position here, and then just lost the concentration, lost the ball as well. Now they've got to work hard to try and get it back. Challenges for the ball. Well, down on the touchline, getting the details about that injury is Jeff Shreves. Jeff.
Yes, he went over on his ankle, but he has carried on, so I think it's unlikely that it'll force him off.
Cheers, Jeff. Nice interplay between the two of them. Well, they're in a good position here. And the goalkeeper can take charge now. A lot of defenders between them and the goal, but they still got the ball. Somehow he saved it. And it's back for a corner again. He's gone back, the referee, to book the offender. He let the play go on. It was good work by the official, but he's quite entitled to book the player now.
Well, he's always going to get a yellow for that, wasn't it? It was a silly challenge, and yes, you play advantage, but he's got to be punished for it.
Well, they're keeping the pressure on with all these corners. No wasting time here. Chance from the... Now the shot! Well, it's a goal that's been on the cards. The better team at this stage of the match. And you wonder whether they would make that domination count. Well, they've done with this goal. Thoroughly deserved. They lead. Well, they kept on going. One or two of his teammates thinking that the half-time whistle was going to go. But it didn't, and they've scored.
Yeah, and that certainly changed the team talks of both managers, I think, at half-time.
So the first goal, it's 1-0. Well, that's half. Well, this is where substitutes are important. Who and when. Free kick given. Trying to find a way through here, probing away. That's cut out. He went in well. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Patience is the name of the game at the moment. Ring. And we'll start again with a goal kick. It's an exhibition here with such great passing. Good strong tackle. Good possession play. But now it's been taken away from them. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change. There's good progress with this attack. That could open them up. Here's the chance. Off the post. We've had an hour gone here and still 30 minutes left. Got the tackle in. Into the attacking third. Not a good challenge by the defender. They cope with it well defensively. Not rushing it here. Moving from one side to the other. Shots on here. The defenders managed to get in the way there. Taking the chance with the shot there.
Yeah, thought he might have done better there. Had a bit of time and space. Good position.
First touch was poor. Oh, chance! Well, he scored, and it's a big moment for them in the match. They've pushed their lead now to 2 ahead. They played well to this point, but sometimes a 2-goal lead can be a dangerous one. We'll see. Restarting at 2-0. I see a substitute coming on for the away team here. Just working away to try and find an opening. Well, this should be an intriguing development in the game. The message... He's got his shot off now! That's great hands from the goalkeeper to make that kind of save. 20 minutes now remaining. Elm. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. And he's got the ball away from him with the tackle. Gone for the through pass. Now the shot! Credit for taking on the shot.
But what a good chance that was for him. By his standards, that's the glaring miss.
Nuri. And he is playing so well today.
Well, sometimes you have those afternoons when you just want the ball all day long and whatever you do comes off.
It was good play until they got that challenge in. Well defended, not just getting across, he thought quickly as well. Possession in the midfield area. Well, they're in a good position here. Well, that pass never... Shot on! I don't think he was quite sure where the goal was as he took the shot on. Elm. Ring. Rasmus Elm. Able to make a good interception. Attacking well here. It's decent attacking play. Good skill with the ball to beat a man. He's tackled well. It was a good challenge. It's led to a corner. Is now a goal kick. Eriksson. He has been pressed there to running the ball out of play. Nuri. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. And it's a heading chance now. That's a good save, he got a touch to that. Well, they're keeping the pressure on with all these corners. And shoots! Well, he's trying hard to influence the game, but he can't get his side to enjoy any periods of really controlled possession.
Yeah, he's been huffing and puffing about, hasn't he? But very little end product from him, and his team are losing. I think that plays a big part, the fact he hasn't been involved. Good through pass.
Shots on here. Rasmus L. Trying to switch on the attacking power in this situation. Well, a reasonable gap between the two teams as the referee brings an end to the game. The finals. What do you make of the home...